The router you can see is Wallys DR5018, which supports BT 5.1M, 2 card slot for 5G, and Wi-Fi 6. Look at the sample of DR5018 please. This is M. 2 card slot for QCN9074 Wi-Fi 6E card, and this one is for M. 2 card slot for 5G, Quectel RM5000GL. There are 4 admin ports and 2 SIM card slot. Its features include dual-core ARM 64-bit 5.3 and 1.0 GHz processor, 512 MB DDR3L system memory, 4 MB NOR flash, 128 MB NAND flash, 2x2 onboard 2.4 GHz radio, up to 573 Mbps physical data rate. See this diagram for some of the components on the board. More details and dates you can get here. More information you want to know, link to our website, so you can get freely. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please feel free to contact us. I'm always at your service.